Come on, come on. Oh, really? Let there be light. Well, that's $1.25. Anyways, this was like so fun. We should kind of like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe next weekend or... Yeah, I can count. But hat, I am telling you, it is totally blowing my best feature. Going in, okay? And you know what? Screw company policy.
Oh my God.
Ahoy, ladies! Didn't see you there. This ocean of flavor with me. I'll be your captain. I'm Steve Harrington. Henderson. Hey, oh! No way. Hotter than Phoebe Cates? No. Okay, that's what I thought you said. Wait, what does that mean? True. Oh, it didn't come from Russia. It came from here.
10 o'clock, Sam Goodies.
Give me that.
Ladies, show me what you got.
Well, I could just take him out. Take his key card, it's easy.
Get you.
Oh, dude. Come on, man, not my scooper. Whoa, what's the problem?
The problem is